BabyBus.
I have to do the grocery shopping today. Kiki, could you help me?
No problem. You can count on me.
Toys should be put in the locker first and can't be taken to the supermarket.
Let's shop at the supermarket. What do we need to get?
Come and have a look. Remember to buy these items.
What should we get first?
Toys section!
I like this toy. Where is it?
Yay!
Clothes section.
What kind of outfit and shoes would you like? This outfit and this pair of shoes look nice. You can try them on if you like. It fits you perfectly. Looks awesome! I am all set. Thank you.
Yay!
Cake section. What kind of cake do you like?
Yay!
Awesome! We've got everything we need. Let's check out.
Hello, please put your items on the counter.
Clothes.
Cake.
Toy dinosaur.
Shoes. How would you like to pay?
Mobile payment.
Thank you very much.
It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the supermarket. Honey, thanks for your help. You are awesome. What's our password?
372. 3, 7, 2.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.